Hi Eric. So this issue is basically showing availability of attendees when we share a link with the external user or the internal employees or contacts. So in this, I have created one link and I added two attendees, and I have not selected this option allow meeting with any of the attendees. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm sharing this link. And I'm putting some email, and I got this available time slots. So the first one starting from the 25th of May 12 p.m. and that's expected because it's already 11:49 am. And also there is one appointment created here where one of the attendees is part of it. So this is working. Now what I'm doing, I'm going to select allow meeting with any one of the attendees. So in this case, I think I should get all the results since there are no appointments created. You can see the calendar. This is my calendar. Also, if I go to other attendees calendar, there are no events. Alright, so now I have changed that, and I'm going to copy this link again. Yeah, so when I do search on this, I'm not getting, we are not able to find any available slots. So ideally, in this case, we should get all the available slots because only one of the attendees is required to schedule a meeting. And if I uncheck this again and perform search here, then I'll get all the available slots. Yeah, so that's the issue. Thank you. Yeah, and one more thing, like this is happening on test on and staging. On live, it is working as expected. So the issue is only on test and staging. Yeah, thank you.